UJ top-down analysis real quick. All right, let's hop into it. All right, we got our last level, our point of resistance right here. This point of reference right here. We marked it off. This is the monthly time frame, by the way. These two candles right here, 1, 2, they broke this level of resistance, and which pushed price all the way up here. Then price came back down to test newfound support, and now it's pretty much in an uptrend. It's been in an uptrend. It's been in an uptrend for a little bit now. So monthly time frame bullish. Let's go to the weekly. All right, weekly time frame definitely still bullish. Last point of resistance was right here, and two candles that broke that level of resistance is right here. 1, 2, and you should see higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frames to confirm that this is an actual break. Something like this. Higher highs and higher lows. All right. UJ has been on a pretty much a nice rally for several weeks now. Let's go to the daily time frame to see if it could potentially pull back. With this huge candle right here, obviously overall structurally it's still bullish as far as the daily is concerned, but we could see a nice little retracement continuation down here, or it could bounce off a level of support somewhere right here to go back up, but we'll just have to wait and see. The last point of resistance that was broken for the daily was right here, and we can use these two candles, 1, 2, to confirm that break, and you will go to the H4, H1 to make sure you see higher highs and higher lows. I'm pretty sure if you go into H4 also, you will see two nice candles to confirm that this is the actual break of resistance. Like I said before, very shallow retracements, nothing crazy. So it was about time that UJ kind of bounced back a little bit. So I guess this week we'll know if it will continue this somewhat of a retracement. Not a downtrend yet, but let's go to the H4. H4 definitely bearish, just because this level of structure right here was broken with these two candles. 1, 2, zoom in, 1, 2, and then price came back up. Very shallow. A lot of sellers were in the market at this time. This was, I forgot what news event. It might have been employment change or NFP. I can't remember, but this happened last week, and yeah, the market went down. All right, so what to be on the lookout for? 100%, the market on the H4 is on a downtrend, is downtrending, but overall we know that UJ is still in a bullish trend. So what you could do is pretty much, so we're aware, right, that UJ is in an uptrend. So we could either wait for an uptrend, like for the daily, for instance. This is a really long, thick candle, so we would have to wait for some type of bullish engulfing or Morningstar to print right here, at least where we are now, for us to know or feel that the market is transitioning back to an uptrend. Or we can wait and see if the market retraces up, tests newfound resistance and comes back down. So, because it could potentially do that as well. It could find a level of resistance up here, somewhere around these wicks, and then just test it and come back down. So that's kind of like where we are currently, and you would use your edge to enter the market based off of that. We would look for some type of lower high right here. We get on the lower highs, so our entry can have the best risk to reward possible. All right, but that's it for this video. Next video is going to be EU. All right, y'all.